Hi Mahesh,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Mahesh. Ekada meri proper?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is your education qualification?
MBA in Finance, sir. From Prakati Mahavidyalaya College, Koti.
Okay.
Yeah.
And ఎలా తెలిసింది నీకు ఎస్విసి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ గురించి?
Through Instagrams.
ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ రే. అండ్ ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు ఇక్కడ 2 months ట్రైనింగ్ లో?
I learned about investment banking, research-oriented subject, and financial accounting, trading knowledge. I learned Excel skills as well as mutual funds and many more.
Okay, good to know that. And share your interview experience.
Yeah. Actually, I placed in Wells Fargo, sir. There are 2 rounds. First round is related to HR round, and second one is manager round. And manager round, they asked 70 to 18 questions. Almost 15 questions I answered for that.
Okay,
Yeah, it's good, sir.
good to know that.
Yeah.
And when you are going to join?
Yeah, 2 days, sir.
Within 2 days.
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.